Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's Delph tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix inverted controls on Roblox. Let's get into it. First, open your in-game settings menu. Open any game world, wait for your character to stand up, and press the small logo button at the top left corner of your screen. Look at the top tabs that appear on your screen and click on the word that says Settings. You have to open this control panel so the system can reveal the movement switches to you. Without this step, you would just be stuck looking at your backward screen instead of fixing your tools. Next, find the camera inverted switch. You need to scroll down through the options list until you find the specific line that controls the upside down or backward camera movement. Look closely at the list under the movement section and search for the row that says camera inverted or inverted camera. Move your eyes over to the right side of that row to see if the box says the word on or off. By locating this line, you find the exact root of your movement trouble. It ensures you don't accidentally mess up your volume or graphics settings while looking for the right button. Next, toggle the switch to off. Now you need to click the arrow buttons next to that line to flip the backward rule off so your camera goes back to normal. Click the little side arrow on that row until the word changes from on to off. If the switch was already saying a different word, toggle it back and forth once to refresh the system choice. Because turning this option off tells the game to move your screen in the exact same direction as your hand. By flipping this switch, you break the backward rule entirely. It is the key step to getting the right output because it aligns your real-world hand movements with your digital character's eyes. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.